angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. No contact. What is happening in your situation with your lover, husband, wife, ex-lover, husband, wife, twin flame? You can choose anyone for this reading, friends. No contact. Are they going to call you? What is happening in this situation? And we will look at some love messages also from your person. It's a very detailed reading, so friends, please do subscribe our channel if you haven't already subscribed. Please do subscribe, like and share. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading and you always get the notifications. I post a lot of readings daily, especially during this quarantine, so you can stay positive, friends, and not lose hope. I hope you are doing well. Also, friends, before we begin, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, these are timeless reading. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way. So join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. So let's start. Take a deep breath, relax. Take a deep breath, choose pile 1, this beautiful thinking man. Pile 1. Pile 2, number 44, a woman holding a heart. Beautiful. Pile 3, the man holding a coin. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below so you can directly skip down and watch, choose the pile from there. Also, friends, you can select more than one pile for different people. You can be drawn to more than one pile also. So choose whichever one you feel most drawn towards. For those who chose option number 1, let us see your thinking man. For no contact, what is happening in this situation? What is happening with your person? Are they going to call you, message you? We are going to look at that in detail. Don't worry about it. Love messages, we're gonna look in the end. I'm keeping it here. Let us see your messages. The moon, wow. Ace of Wands, the world, 10 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, the star, wow, wow, wow. 3 major arcanas and the 6 of Pentacles. Victory, intuition. I'll keep it here. Oopsie. And indecision number 8. Oh my god. Oh friends, this person has really hurted you. Really hurted you. You both have hurted each other. I feel this person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel our viewers could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, friends. Oh my god. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And I also feel our viewers could be the ones who are watching this, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Friends, this person and you, I feel this is a very strong connection, and there is definitely no contact right now between you and them. This was like a dream come true relationship for both of you in some way. This was a relationship that you were counting upon and this person was also counting upon, but some major ending has happened. I feel you felt like this person stabbed you in the back, and then you also got angry and you also hit out on this person. Maybe you both have hurted each other. That is what I'm feeling, and it had gone to a very bad situation. I feel this person is very lonely. They feel very rejected by you, and I feel this person made you also feel the same, like they rejected you and they also made you feel the same. Very small, I feel like they made you feel very small. and I think you also did the same to them. I feel like this person could have been uh, you felt like this person was keeping secrets from you, this person was not being honest to you, this person was not revealing their true self to you. You also felt like they were keeping a different face to you or showing a different face to you when they were in reality a different person. I feel this person stabbed you in the back, or you felt they cheated on you in some way, kept some hidden, and I think you both then hurted each other, and there is a lot of hurt. This person is suffering, friends. This person is suffering in silence. Is this person over you? Absolutely not. In capital, italics, underline, this person is not over you. They feel very, very ashamed of what they have done to you. Oh my god, I can't pick the cards. They feel very, very like, they have done something wrong to you. They feel like, they deserve this fate because they were not honest to you, the way you removed them from life. They feel like they deserved it in some way because they were not being honest, or they were not giving you what you were needing. I feel this person was giving you less of time, no importance, no time, but goodness gracious, this person was trying to, maybe, I don't know why they were doing this, but they were not giving you proper time, attention, love, and this kind of triggered something, a very, very strong ending in this situation. What is happening with this person right now? They feel so much attracted towards you, they are super attracted towards you, they constantly think about you, they want this passionate new beginning with you. They just cannot live without you. This person wants, like, someday it will be someday, or maybe today, it will be a new start, a new passionate thing will happen with you. This person feels very passionate about you, and there is the moon and the world and the star. Maybe this person is your twin flame, or a very strong karmic, or you have known each other in past lives. I feel you both think about each other at night. This person wakes up in the night and thinks about you. I feel there is a song, that Frank Sinatra song, Fly Me to the Moon. That song is also important. I feel there is a song about you and this person, or they have written a song for you, something like that, or they keep hearing songs which remind them of you. For this person, you are a dream come true, a wish come true. You are very beautiful, you are loving, especially if you are a woman. This person thinks you are out of this world, your beauty, your intellect, your wisdom. I feel this person really wants to come back to you. They want a new start with you. This person is like, they know they have done you wrong, but they want to fix things with you. They want to come back with you and step out of their comfort zone. But they are stuck. They are stuck in this indecision. And number eight is like Saturn. They know that somehow they feel they deserve this, that they should not come towards you. I feel maybe this was like a new romance or a new date, or someone you were very attracted and you both were very attracted, but this person then didn't do anything after that, or they did something to hurt you. I feel this person wants to come back to you right now. Right now, also, they want to message you. I actually see this person typing a message but not sending it because they are stuck in this indecision, and they feel they deserve it also, because they somehow feel very bad about them. They just feel like they deserve it in some way. Also, intuition. I feel this person is regularly being guided to follow their intuition, to act on their intuition. Their intuition tells them to come towards you, to talk with you, but this person is like, they are stuck in their mind games, they are stuck in their mind, they don't listen to their heart and intuition. And also, if your intuition is telling you something about this person, you are right, my dear friends, you are right. If you feel this person is hurting, they are not at a safe place or a happy place, yes, you are right. If you feel this person is not over you, yes, you are right. If you feel this person is over you, yes, they might be over you, but I feel they still hurt about the fact, they still feel how can they lose a person so beautiful as you. and victory. They do expect a victory will happen, and they feel like, God will do something extraordinary for them, because they feel right now helpless to change this situation. They are trying to make wishes to God and manifest you back in their life, because they surely don't know what can they do to fix this relationship right now. Let us see some messages from them, then we are going to look at the romance angels. Let us see if your person could say some messages. So no contact. Will this person call you? I feel yes, they absolutely want to call you right now. Some of you may, 10% of you may hear from this person, but I feel for others, this person is stuck in their mind games, in their indecision, and they need to come out of their energy of ego, and own up. They need to step out of their comfort zone. I feel you might be from different cultures and might be at a distance in different cities. I'm feeling like this person could be in USA, or you could be in USA, Texas, or some other area. I don't know, any Florida maybe. I don't know, maybe that's important. Or maybe they live near a river, I feel, or you live near a river. Message from this person. What will they contact? Message from this person. Angels. So let us see. We have the alphabet U, R, and we also have a blank. So if their name alphabet is not here, you can add this blank as their name. And there is also the letter D here. So maybe D, U, R is the alphabets that have come. The messages are new you, new me. So definitely this person needs to do some changes, make some changes in themselves, so you can both come back and fix things. I feel you both have hurted each other a lot. There's a lot of hurt and pain. Date me. This person definitely feels a lot of sexual chemistry with you, a lot of sexual attraction. They feel like maybe this was a date to you, this person was dating, or a new relationship which quickly went bad, but the connection is so strong. Or maybe you were friends, or you have known this person from a long time, but they still want to date you. They haven't forgotten you. I remember everything. See, they have not forgotten you. Leader, I feel this person sees you as a leader, and they are like, victory. They see you like you are winning in every way, so they kind of feel scared, and they feel like even if they come back, it won't matter, or somehow they deserve this fate of staying away from you because they were not honest with you. Accept me back. This person wants you to accept them back. Will you ever forgive me? See, this person wants your forgiveness. I don't think so. They are saying it right now, but oh my god, this is a blank card. No, has a May written on it. So definitely something will happen in the month. I'm shooting this in the month of May. So something may happen in the month of May, or maybe last year something happened in the month of May. I miss you. This person is missing you. Family or family lover. This person or you may have common family, or they are your family friends, or maybe family affected this relationship. Again, I told you there was a blank card here. I feel this is like this person is giving this relationship or this situation to fate, like they can fix it. They are giving this like, dear God, help me. They are making their wishes, and they expect God to do a miracle here. Telepathic union, definitely you also have the card of intuition. So you may not see an actual message from this person, but you will see a lot of signs, songs, messages which remind you of this person, which they are sending to you. Also dreams, beautiful eyes. Maybe they have beautiful eyes, or you have beautiful eyes. A new person. So they may feel like scared because you have a new person in your life, or they could have a new person, or maybe you felt like they were already with another person while they were with you, so that is why they stabbed you in the back. Oh god. Whew, likes to dress well. So definitely I see this person is very flamboyant, very attractive. They dress very well, and you both are very perfect in some ways, like you both are a perfect match. The moon, the star, the world, the ace of wands. It is like the dream come true relationship, but I don't know what happened. It's like WT, WTF, what happened? Some mess happened in this relationship. It was perfect, it was beautiful. Let's see your Romance angels messages, getting to know each other as you reveal your innermost selves. With each other, your bond deepens. I feel your person has not been showing, how deeply they love you or miss you, and they have not been acting on this love for you because of this indecision. I think they didn't showed you in their actions how much they love you, but they do desire to come back one day, or maybe now, right now also they want to come back and express their love to you. And definitely I feel there is a chance you may hear from them. At least you will be getting some signs, telepathic messages from them and from your person. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Friends, please do subscribe. If you haven't already, to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, no contact, what will happen next in your person or relationship? Let us see if you choose this. Number 44, 444, angel number, woman holding a heart. This is beautiful. This card reminds me of longing. This card reminds me of your person and you. Oh, just longing to be in each other's arms. We are going to see the romance angels messages later on. I'll also be pulling some love messages from your person, what they want to tell you. Let's see your cards first. Queen of Cups, woman holding a heart. So maybe you are a man watching and this woman is beautiful. The person you are not in touch with, no contact. Queen of Cups, Nine of Wands, Four of Wands, beautiful. Seven of Wands, Seven of Cups and Seven of Wands, friends, sorry. 7, 7, both are 7, 7. And Nine of Pentacles. We also have shame. We have leadership. Angel of Balance. And community, that's the, wow, number 7, community. This is beautiful. So what's happening with your person? No contact situation. Will they call you, message you? What's going on with them? I feel, friends, your person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Virgo or Taurus. I feel basically you both are same sun signs, or I feel there is also an age gap in this connection. For some of you, this either you are elder or this person is very elder to you, or there is a significant age gap in this connection. I also feel it could be a same-sex relationship because there are two females here. So it could be two males, two females, or something like that. Or I also feel this person could be heterosexual, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that is also coming there. So what is happening with this person? I feel this person really likes you, they love you, they have a lot of respect for you. I feel this person feels like you are the queen, or your person feels you are the queen or the king of their heart. They feel so much love and affection for you. I feel you have given a lot to this person. Our viewers have given a lot to this person. You have tried to support this person a lot. I feel this person... our viewers could be someone who are very independent emotionally, or you are very strong. I also feel like you are working on something which you love, or you have a strong career or something like that. And this person really admires that, especially if this person is a man and you are a woman watching this. This person really admires your courage, your heart, your love, your care. I feel whether you are a man or a woman, you have supported this person a lot. You may be colleagues, you may be students, or like you have helped this person in achieving a career goal, or in helping them to become, better in themselves, or emotionally you have supported this person a lot. I feel this person may have chosen some other person to get married to, or they have married, they are already married with someone else. That is the reason of your no contact, because after marriage they met you, they feel this connection with you, but they find it difficult to let go of their marriage. Also I feel If this person is not married, maybe the issue that caused trouble between you both is that you wanted to marry this person, and maybe their family couldn't agree, or you couldn't agree, or I feel this person wasn't ready for marriage. I feel like there is another person in their life, a mother, a family figure, a sister, or an ex lover, which kind of affected this relationship. And there was a choice. They felt very confused which person to choose, which way to go, and that led to a lot of problems in this connection. I feel they feel like, your person currently feels like very rejected, very disappointed. They feel like a defeated warrior. They feel like they have lost everything in their life, because when they lost you, eh, it's like losing everything, because you were very affectionate, you were very kind, you were very supportive to them, and they feel like they missed out their chance on you. They still want to work on the relationship, they still want to defend. It feels like this person lost their respect in your eyes, or this person kind of chose someone else for marriage, or some commitment issues happened. This person chose work rather than you. This person had someone else for because of family pressures or something. They chose that person, or they were already married. Something was like that, which caused a lot of trouble between you both. Or you, I also feel some of you could be twin flames, because we have 444 11 11 here. I feel this person still wants to work on this connection. They still want to fight for you and come towards you. They still think about you and miss you. And I feel like this person is not telling you all those things, but this person is trying to, this person is. Okay, I'm getting two things here. Firstly, this person is feeling like lost. They feel rejected, lost, and completely, like they have lost the best thing of their life. But at the same time, they like to show that they are doing very well in life. They are doing very well, very happy, very successful in life. So it's kind of, maybe they married for money, or they ran after money. I feel something is there, about money also coming in, some sort of money issues happening. We have shame, so I feel this person is ashamed of what they did to you. I feel they come from a very troubled past or something like that. Maybe they didn't choose you for money, for family, for religion, for age difference or something, or you supported them a lot and they never repaid you back. So this person feels ashamed, they feel guilty. I feel there is definitely a third party happening here. They feel ashamed about it. And they also feel like you were a leader, you helped them to grow, you helped them to become the person they are today. The success they are achieving in their life is because of you, I feel. So they feel more ashamed that now they are successful, but they were not doing the right things to you. They still miss you, I feel. Community, you may have common friends, or you may be from the same work colleagues or same area you work in. You could be all artists, both of you. So you do meet and see this person, but like it's confusing for them. They still have a choice. They still want to make a move towards you. Their friends and family still talk about you. So this person wants to bring balance to this situation. I also feel this person is very resistant in opening or sharing their feelings. So this person wants to bring balance to this situation and do some justice. Number 48 is here, and they want to, but I feel they feel ashamed of themselves. They feel like if they come towards you, they will be more ashamed, and they are guilty of something. They chose money over you, they chose career over you. It was like ashamed. They are shameful of what they did to you, but they do have a lot of love. And whenever they look at you, they see this amazing, pure love you have given to them, and they feel like, oh my god, what they did to you. And they also feel the same affection for you. I would like to see very quickly what this person wants to say to you, because I feel this person wants to fight for this connection, but they are not saying it. Will they take action towards you? I feel, yeah, they want to fight for you. But maybe they have family or friends which are telling them not to act towards you or something like that. Or maybe they are worried if they marry you with the age difference, what will people say? All those things are going on. For pile number 2, what is the message from their person? I want to pull some more. Let's see. You have a lot of alphabets here. We have L, we have B. I hope you can see it. We have L, B. We also have O, C, G. Wow, new alphabets today. I, O, and there is also C. You have double C, so maybe you both of you have names by C or something. Double C. There is also an M here. So what are the letters? Blog. Maybe this person is a blogger or work online, or you work online, or you have some artist or creative work, HR or something. You both have helped each other. So there is double C, there is M, B, L, O, G, I, O. Let us see if you can make any words out of it. Clog. So I feel there is something blocked in this connection and they need to fix it. And maybe your college friends, I can see, like, college here. So maybe once you were college friends. Any other word you can make? Bio. Maybe you are from science field or something like that. So maybe you or this person is from science field. Bio is important. Cob. I don't know. Cobby. Maybe the name is Cobby or something like that. If you can make any words out of it. So let's see what are the messages. I miss you. Definitely this person is missing you. They think about you. They think about why they are not choosing you, why they are not taking action. Telepathic union. Definitely they still connect with you. They remember your conversations, whatever you talked about them. Passionate connection. Yeah, they still feel a lot of passion towards you, and they want to come and hug you and grab you. I feel like that. I miss you. There are two I miss you cards. It is so intense. Look at this. There are two I miss you charms here, which is intense. I mean, this is rarely it happens that both the same cards come out together. That is the reason I have put. Sometimes I think this person is not telling you how much they miss you, but they miss you a lot. Passion is again here. Both passionate connection, passion. This person is head over heels in love with you, but they are not saying this. Accept me back. I feel they are really fighting the desire to come back. They right now they want to come back towards you, but I feel someone else or society or they themselves are stopping them, or they are guilty, their shame is stopping them, never gives in. So definitely this person may be egoistic also, so that is why they are not giving in. There is another eye here, so maybe there are like two eyes. So there is like, this person is egoistic, they want to cuddle with you, and flirtations. Definitely this person wants to be your friend, they want to flirt with you. They also want to get you in a friends with benefit kind of a situation, which might not be respectful for you, I feel. So they are kind of like ashamed, they think about those things also. so so let's see what is your romance angels messages. Codependency addictions are affecting your romantic life. So definitely, sorry friends, this person is feeling like, sorry for the high brightness shock you got. I feel this person is too blinded or too affected by their addictions. This person is like waiting and waiting and waiting. They're missing you, but they don't want to make a move or change their situation. Like, it's they want to make a move, but they are fighting against it. I don't know why. I also feel like they are not good at making decisions. They need to make a decision and get out of a pattern. I also feel this person may be having toxic relationships or friendships around them which are not allowing them to come towards you. This person needs to find a balance and let go of some people who are keeping them and you apart. I feel you both are very similar in very similar. I feel this both are you. You know, this person feels you and them, your heart are just alike, but this person is not able to show their heart to you, and there is a lot of people in their head. Yeah, a lot of people are telling them lot many things, and that is why they are not taking action towards you. Will this person take an action towards you? Let's see that. Will this person take an action towards the... I want to defend you. So definitely this person wants to defend you. There is also this energy here. If you see the Seven of Wands, they definitely want to fight for this connection. And pessimistic, yeah, they want to come towards you, but they feel like if they come, you will reject them. Karmic situation. I feel a lot of, I told you, a lot of people are affecting this situation. And also, I feel like they may have chosen someone else, their work, career, money, another person. So that is stalking you. This person is stalking your social media. Oh my god, friends, I hope you this reading helped you out. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel, friends. Please do subscribe, and let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends, in the comment section below. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com, and friends, also join us on Instagram as Magic Wands Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. For those who chose option number 3, this beautiful man holding a coin. Wow, what a beautiful card. Look at this, number 43, a very beautiful looking man. Maybe if you are a woman, you are dealing with a man who is similar like this. You also have two romance angels. We will look at them in the end of the reading. We also have love messages from your person. No contact. Let us see what is happening with your person. Will they message you or come back towards you? We are going to look at that. The Lovers, the Four of Pentacles, the Death, the Three of Pentacles, Hierophant, Four of Swords, oh, the Eight of Pentacles, self-esteem, Judgment, attachment. Ooh, number 22, yin and yang. I feel this person could be your twin flame for some of you. I definitely feel there is a strong twin flame energy here. You both are twin flames or something like that. Or you have a very strong relationship. Definitely we have the Lovers, the Hierophant, the Death. So this is a strong connection for most of you, friends. This is someone that is a very, very strong connection. I feel this person, I feel this person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You both are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel Gemini energy is very strong, so you both are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Scorpio energy is also strong. So maybe you are this person is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this person is waiting and waiting and waiting. I feel there has been some sort of an ending in this situation, obviously because you are in no contact, but I also feel like this person right now is going through an ending in their career, or something is just disintegrating in their life. I feel this person is going through tough times in their life, and they are not feeling very strong or very solid. They may be going through health issues, they may be going through some physical, emotional issues. I also feel they may not be feeling emotionally or physically happy. They are trying to recover, they are trying to find their balance in life. They are going through strong changes, and strong, you know, something is changing in their life, and they may not be ready for it, or they are trying to gather themselves during that change. I also feel this person is not willing to let you go anywhere. This person is very possessive about you. This person loves you, and they are very possessive about you. They like to keep you to themselves. I feel this person is at a distance from you. They could be in Florida, France, South Wales, New Zealand, Australia, Germany, or you are in those areas, or maybe China. I feel this person and you are not in touch since a long time, but I feel this person really feels very possessive. They are holding you very close to their heart, not letting you go. I feel this person feels like, there is so much honesty in this connection. There is like you can see them as just as they are. They can be their own self with you. They feel a lot of positivity when they are with you, and also they feel like this is an angelic connection or destined connection, and somehow they have hope that this connection will come back, and this ending you had with them, it is going to fix itself because God or angels are watching over this connection. I also feel like this person once is very traditional, or or one of you is very traditional, or this person is like they like to take time when they start a relationship, or they like to take time in thinking about things. Something is like, this person wants to do things traditionally with you, like, if they were not dating you, now they would like to date you, like officially get married to you or something like that. They want to fix things, they want to do justice to you. If they were coming in and out of your life, or they were just a passionate person in the past, now they want to be the different person. Now they want to do you, date you officially, marry you, court you, something like that. I feel like this person really wants to work things out with you. They have this energy where they want to, uh, you know, make things, work things out. Remove the differences between you and them. I feel this person is also trying to work very hard to change themselves, because and they are also working on their career also. They are practicing to become a better person, a better human being, or achieve more financial success, because man holding a coin. I feel this person's manner of expressing love could be by giving gifts, or giving you a house, or getting married to you, or taking you out on a lavish holiday. Maybe that's not your idea of love, but that is what they want to do for you. They want to give you a life, a home, a house, and they are working on that, I feel. I also feel like this person is very attached to you, and there may be some sort of number five. There may have been some judgments in this relationship. Like you felt this person is too attached to their work, they are workaholics, or they are too slow. They just don't share their feelings, or they are just very refusing to tell you anything. This person may have been very very quiet, almost to the point like you feel they do not exist in your relationship. I feel this person do have some negative attachment to money, to work, or being excessive worker, workaholic, or they do have some negative attachments. I don't know what it is, or maybe they are very traditional, so that kind of, or maybe they are too close minded for you. You are very different, open minded, very different. I feel there has been some judgments in this, like some things you felt like this person was not honest, they were not showing their true colors or true face, or they were not revealing, or this person felt like they were not interested in you because they were so quiet. So there was some sort of a judgment that happened. You may have said something to this person, some truths, some harsh truths, like, yeah, you need to choose me, you need to make me a priority, you can't just always work, and I can't just always wait for you. I feel this person kept you waiting and waiting. Uh, Also, I feel Archangel Michael is helping this situation, this connection. This person was not feeling a lot of self-esteem. They feel they have a low self-esteem, and they kind of feel like, they are trying to work on it. They are trying to become very stable for you. Also, with attachments, they may be attached to some wrong beliefs or something, or wrong people also. I feel they want to do justice to you in some way. This person wants to fix things and do some justice, make you, maybe give you a gift or something like that, to say they are sorry or something. Yin and yang, you both are opposites of each other. Number 22 is here. So you complete each other in ways that are quite mysterious, and Only in separation, when you both have separated, this person understood your value. It is like you are not traditional, this person is traditional, you are open minded, you are flexible, this person is rigid, and so you kind of fix with each other. And this, they realized it only once you were separated with them. So, will this person make a move? I feel they definitely want to work things out with you. They also not only want to make a move, they want to offer you a ring or some sort of a gift or an apology. But they are also looking for right time to do this thing, because here is Archangel here, Archangel Michael. So they are looking for the right time to do this. They are also looking for the right time to reveal their love for you. A message from person 40. Oh my god, I don't know why I said 43. Message from, for those who chose option number 3, angels. Maybe number 43 is important for you, or the month March, April is important to you. For those who chose option 3, message from their lover, angels. So you got the letter Y, I, and M. Not many letters here. So Mia is important. Maybe MI. Let me see if I can grab more alphabets for pile number 3. Okay. There is R, there is O, and there is O. There is double O, R, I, M, and Y. So maybe Rima is the name, Ria is the name, or Mario, Mio is also a name. So Om could also be a name, Omi could also be a name, Rome might be important. I did say some countries are important to you. Let's see. Friends with benefits. So maybe this person was like friends with benefit with someone else or with you, and that kind of affected their self-esteem. Or maybe they still think about you in that way. Third party situation. Definitely, I felt like, maybe this person left you, or this person had to choose someone else because of their family, because the Hierophant is also here. So maybe there was a third party influence. They got married, or if not, maybe they choose someone else. But I feel it third party could be a career, money thing also. I feel this person is a workaholic. I don't know. They have a desire to become a leader and lead this world or something. I want to defend you. Definitely, they want to protect you, defend you. There is also letter S. What is this? You are one in a million. So definitely this person feels you are one in a million. This is the blank. So I feel they are also, if the letter is not here, I feel you can use this for that. If their name alphabets are not here. New lover. I feel like this person may have a new lover or an interest, or you have a new lover, or maybe your family is trying to get you married to someone else, never gives in. This is also an egoistic person, very similar to pile 2. This is a singer, a famous person, or you are famous person, and that might have caused some problems with you. I feel this person is very famous, quiet person. I told you, they just don't talk, they don't share their feelings, but they feel like you see them perfectly as they are. So they also feel like, what is there to say when you can see everything? So just kind of strange. Coming over, they want to come over and meet you. Singing and music, so they want to sing a song, or maybe you have some songs or music that you used to watch together, maybe some movies. Dreams coming true. They definitely feel one day they are going to find you. Again, there is this blank card. So I feel like they leave you blank messages, or they might be stalking your social media, or maybe they have some other friends or using someone else's account to message you. I don't know why I get that. I miss you. Loves dogs, cats, and animals. Loyalty, yeah, this person has a strange loyalty towards you, and they have a beautiful eyes, or they feel you have a beautiful eye. I feel this person wants to work things out with you, and they want to give you something solid, like an offer which is solid, like ring or commitment, but they also want to do it in perfect timing, not just a rash decision. So let's see your, oh my god, engagement. Yes, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So definitely this person wants to offer you marriage commitment or something solid, healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So definitely maybe someone was telling them something, family, friends, or ex-lovers affected your relationship, but they want to fix it and come towards you. That's it for now, friends. Do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends. Do subscribe, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com to and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.